In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new bill in Xero. We'll walk through the exact steps to record a supplier bill accurately so your accounts payable, cash flow, and tax reports stay tidy and reliable. First, log into Xero and make sure you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one. From the dashboard, head to the Purchases area. This section is where you track what you owe to suppliers. Choose Bills to open your list of existing bills and the options to create a new one. Click the New Bill drop-down, then select New Bill. This opens a fresh bill form. Start by choosing the supplier contact. Pick the correct supplier from your list so Xero can apply any default settings tied to that contact, such as tax preferences or currency. Enter the bill date exactly as shown on the supplier's invoice. This date affects reporting periods, and if you're using multiple currencies, the exchange rate applied behind the scenes. Next, add the due date according to your supplier's payment terms. Using accurate due dates helps you plan payments and avoid late fees. Review the bill number field. This should match the supplier's invoice number and be unique to prevent duplicates. If you use internal tracking, enter a reference to capture extra context, things like a project code, a department, or a purchase order number, so the bill is easy to find later. Choose the currency that matches the supplier's invoice. If your organization uses multiple currencies, Xero will handle conversions for reporting, but it's important that the bill currency is correct from the start. Select the appropriate tax option for the bill lines. Match the tax rate to what appears on the supplier's invoice. If you're unsure, follow your company's tax policy or check with your advisor to keep filings accurate. Now add the products or services being billed. For each line, enter the quantity and price. If you use predefined items, selecting them can autofill descriptions, accounts, and tax rates, which reduces errors and speeds things up. Double-check that each line reflects what the supplier billed, including any discounts. Before finalizing, review all bill details and the total amount. Compare the subtotal, tax, and grand total to the supplier's invoice to ensure everything aligns. When you're satisfied, click Save to keep the bill as a draft for further review, or click Approve to post it to accounts payable so it appears in your bills to pay and financial reports. And that's it. Your bill is recorded accurately in Xero.